Okay, again, welcome back to the Danphe series, right? And in this video, I want to dedicate this video to an error which we get in Danphe, which is a very common error. It's actually not an error. It is one of the features given in Danphe wherein if your license is expired, you get this screen. You can see on the screen, this is the screen you get, right? And I have been seeing that on the YouTube also. I can see that many of the people have posted message here saying that it says license expired, what should I do? After running, it gives me a message, license expired, what should I do? License invalid screen, what should I do? Also on the GitHub, I can see many of our developers friends facing this issue. Help me fix invalid license, invalid software license, what should I do? So I thought that I should create one dedicated video for this, right? So here is a video, and also you can see over here, I have this one of the user who is actually facing the problem. So if I see on his screen, I can see that is a license expired. So basically, if I try to go and navigate over here, it shows license expired. Now, if you are a developer, right, you can go ahead and you can remove that code from the code, from the login screen, wherever is the code of the security, you can remove that, right? But if you're not a developer, then you are stuck, right? So if you're an IT admin who is trying to use this software, he gets stuck, right? So what we have done is we have actually given a license.sql file. So if you see out here, for example, very quickly now guys, we have released our 3.11.11 version out here, right? So either it is 3.11 version. So basically over here, remember, these are the versions out here at the right of the GitHub page. So you can see we have two versions which we have released. One version was the old version, which is 3.2, and recently we have released yesterday, I mean to say, last working one day previously, we released this 3.11, right? So any one of these versions you go, right, you will get a license.sql file. So you can see there is a license.sql file in 3.11. Also here also you can see there is a license.sql file. So what you need to do is that you need to go ahead and download the license.sql file. So basically it would be right, so over here this is you can see the user has downloaded the license.sql file. Remember that we have the database zip, we have the application zip, right? So with that you get this license.sql file. So if you open out here, you can see that there is an SQL statement which we need to go and execute it, right? So later on I can deep dive a video about how exactly these encrypted end dates and start dates are created. So whenever I create a developer series, I would be doing that, right? But for now, what you need to do is that you need to go to your SQL Server Management Studio. This is where it is, right? And you need to open up the new query window, right? So I'm going to just go and show you again from scratch, new query window. And you need to go and paste this SQL, Control C, Control V, right? You can do a quick of a check out here and make sure that your left hand side over here is Danphe EMR open source. Remember, Danphe has two databases. One is the Danphe admin and another one is the Danphe EMR. So you need to go and execute this SQL. Remember, I have done a check. I have not executed it still, right? So if you go and execute this SQL, it will get updated with the necessary encrypted end date and start date, right? So remember that this is a feature actually. This is not a bug, because normally when developers who want to actually go and put their product into a hospital, they would like to have some expiry date, isn't it? So that's what exactly it is. Now if I go and if I do a refresh, right, then I shouldn't see the license expired screen, right? So there it is. If I now try to log in, and there it goes, boom, you are inside it, right? So remember, if you get this error, what you need to do is that you need to go ahead and run this license.sql file into your SQL Server Management Studio. And remember that this license.sql file is updated for a year. So just in case if the license.sql file is not working, please send us a mail at this email address which I'm flashing on the screen, right? We can help you with that, right? Also, what you can do is that you can go ahead and you can chat on the chat window of our website, which I'm flashing down below. Over there also you can go and ask for the help through the chat, right? So remember, if you're getting this error out here, okay, license expired, you need to go and run this license.sql file. So I hope that you enjoyed our video. Thank you very much.